Today, I'd like to talk to you about the concept of Jing, or essence, in traditional Chinese medicine. I should start by telling you that traditional Chinese medicine is about 5,000 years old and descriptive by nature, so it predates all modern science, including biology, biochemistry, anatomy, and physiology. So ancient practitioners of TCM relied on their powers of observation. They studied the natural world around them and the human body to understand how the body works. While TCM concepts may lack modern scientific explanations, they can be incredibly insightful and accurate with solid links to modern science and biomedicine. One of these insightful little nuggets is the TCM idea of Jing, or essence. Now, without knowing it, ancient practitioners were essentially describing DNA and the idea of epigenetics and genetics. So how does Jing compare to DNA? In traditional Chinese medicine, Jing is described as everything that is passed from the parents to the child at the time of conception. And we know DNA comes from the fusion of the egg and the sperm at conception. Jing is said to be in charge of growth, development, sexual maturity, reproduction, aging, and death. And DNA makes up the genetic code that contains all the information required for growth and development of an organism. Jing is said to be the material basis for the body, and DNA is the blueprint that tells our bodies how to make and build new tissues, the literal material substance of the body. And lastly, Jing is said to be the most dense substance in the body. And we know DNA is incredibly dense. It folds in on itself over and over. It's so dense, in fact, that if you put all the DNA molecules in your body from end to end, the DNA would reach from Earth to the sun and back over 600 times. Now, there are three subtypes of Jing: prenatal Jing, postnatal Jing, and constitution. Prenatal Jing is the unchangeable piece that you're born with. You get it from your parents. It's essentially your DNA or your genetic code. Postnatal Jing is changeable. This is a reflection of how diet, exercise, and other lifestyle choices affect the gene expression. It's essentially your epigenetic makeup. Constitution is the combination of your pre- and postnatal Jing, or your genetics and epigenetics. It determines your underlying strength and vitality and resiliency, your ability to withstand health challenges. Now, the clinically interesting piece of this is really the postnatal Jing, or essence, or your epigenetics. This is the part of essence that can be affected by lifestyle choices. Now, TCM theory has long suggested that a balanced diet and exercises such as Tai Chi and Qigong, as well as acupuncture and herbal therapy, can be used to preserve and build up our vitality and resiliency. In the last 10 years or so, there has been lots of new evidence that shows that our epigenetics are affected by diet and exercise. And additionally, there's new evidence that acupuncture can affect epigenetics as well. So now, thousands of years of TCM theory and now modern research agree that postnatal essence, or your epigenetics, can be influenced, preserved, and strengthened through diet and exercise, as well as acupuncture and herbs. If you're interested in finding out how to strengthen your Jing, or essence, book an initial consultation with me, Lindsay Engelke, at Inner Wisdom Acupuncture and Wellness. Thank you for your time.